Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make uploaded clips longer on TikTok. The first thing you'll need to do is open the app. Once on TikTok, you're going to tap on the plus like you'll normally do to upload a video. Then you're going to tap on upload in the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you'll simply select the video that you want to upload. Then you're going to tap on next. After selecting the video, you're going to tap on effects. And once in effects, you're going to slide the menu option at the bottom of the menu option at the bottom of the screen. You're going to slide it to the left. Then you're going to tap on time. And from here, you're going to tap on repeat. Then you're going to highlight the entire video by simply pulling the red slider across if you would like the entire video to repeat. And if you only want a section to be repeated, you could pull it to that section. Then you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. That's how to make uploaded clips longer on TikTok, or how to make an imported clip longer on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.